That shot was 7.62 51 millimeter right there. No pass through. Looks good. No extreme back face deformation. Looks okay. Now we're going to go on to something else. All right, that 7.62 39 millimeter barely made a dent. All right, there's your three shots. There's the 7.62 51 millimeter, 7.62 39 millimeter, MA55. All right, I just shot that plate a bunch of times with M855. This is model 6001. Very nice, very light plate. Let's break down model 6001, the RF2 plate. Some say an RF2 plus plate because it'll stop MA55A1 as well. But what we wanted to do, we shot it here 7.62 51 millimeter, 7.62 39 millimeter, and then we crowded those two shots with close proximity grouping on the M855. And then down here in this corner we had two M855 shots that were 3/4 of an inch apart. So these were very close together, not even 3/4 of an inch. Coming off of this 7.62 51, you had 3/4 of an inch, you had 1 and almost a half. And then off of the 7.62 39, you had 1 inch, you had 2 and 1/8, 2 1/4, and then you had 2 inches coming off of those. So very good result. What I did was I peeled the strike face off of it, and then so that you could see, I separated the backer into 3 segments. So I split these apart into the 3 layers of polyethylene backer. This is the first layer, moving from front to back. This is the middle layer. This is the last layer. So going through the plate, the first 6-7 millimeters stopped 4 of the 9 shots, and then all except for 2 more were caught by this middle section. You can see that continued on in that close shot grouping there. And then the last section of polyethylene backer caught the other 2. And there were no pass-throughs, even though the shot spacing was incredibly close together.